Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to make easy yogurt drops. First, ensure you have 1 cup of plain, full-fat yogurt ready. This type of yogurt provides the best consistency for freezing. Next, line a baking sheet with parchment paper or a silicone mat. This prevents sticking. Finally, decide on your flavor. You can use a 1/4 cup of fruit puree or a teaspoon of honey to sweeten your drops. Let's get mixing. Now let's combine our ingredients. In a small bowl, gently mix your 1 cup of yogurt with your chosen flavor, whether it's fruit puree or honey. Stir until everything is smooth and evenly distributed. Then, carefully spoon the mixture into a piping bag. If you don't have one, a small plastic bag with a tiny corner snipped off works perfectly. This will give you control for consistent drop sizes. With your mixture ready, it's time to pipe the drops. Squeeze the bag gently to create small, uniform drops onto your lined baking sheet. Aim for drops about 1/2 inch in diameter. This size freezes quickly and is easy to eat. Once all your drops are piped, carefully transfer the baking sheet to the freezer. Let them freeze for at least 1 hour, or until they are completely solid. Patience is key here. Your delicious yogurt drops are almost ready. Once they are completely frozen, gently peel them off the parchment paper or silicone mat. They should pop off easily. Transfer all the frozen drops into an airtight container. This will prevent freezer burn and keep them fresh. You can store these delightful treats in the freezer for up to 2 months. Enjoy your homemade, healthy, and refreshing yogurt drops whenever you like.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.